Hello everyone. So I'm Raman. So let's discuss few more selectors that we can use in our jQuery. In the last lecture, lecture number 4, we have seen that there is a ID selector, and ID selector we can select the element by ID. Now today we will see about the element selector. In element selector, basically you are going to select on the basis of element. So you will pass the element here. Element is nothing but it is the tag which we are using. So for example, if I say I want to search all the buttons. So I'll say single quote button. So it will select all the button elements. So I'm saying button one dot add add class we can do, but not now at this moment. CSS, and I'm saying background color comma say yellow. So that is what I want to do when my document is ready. So now today we are discussing about the element selector. I want to apply yellow color to all the buttons. So button is my tag. Here you can see, right? So this is my element. So this will search all the buttons and it will apply the background color as yellow. So let us run it and see it. Okay, why it did not apply? Okay, because button is my input type. So my tag is input. So I want to apply it on, we'll see only button if we want to apply. So I'm saying all the input and run it. Okay, so now you can see that this is applied to all the input types. So we will see that in little later that if you want to apply on buttons only, so you just need to say colon and button. So if I run it, so you see that it is applied only to the buttons because there are different input tags. So if I say input type equals to text and say ID equals to txt, and I can make it blank. Okay, so here if I save it and if I run it, now this is not applied on this background color, but if I say input only and if I save it, now you can see it is applied to all the input buttons. And if I say only apply to input text box, let me save and run it over here. Now you can see it is applied on only to the text box. So that is get element by that is element tag basically. Now in some cases what happens, I want to apply, so this is my div. Under my div I have a anchor tag. So I say href equals to, say, any, I can put any, say http colon yahoo.com. Okay, and I will give ID, say hyperlink 1. Okay, now this is under div tag. Now let me create one more div tag here, no, not div tag, anchor tag, and paste it here. Okay, so I have two anchor tag now. One is for, one is within div and one is outside div. Now I want to search all the div elements and a anchor tag inside it. So I will write like this, and I want to apply the color as, say, yellow or red. Okay, so I'm saving this and now I'm running it over here. I think it is not saved. Okay, let me, because let me put here yahoo.com. I'm sorry. And here also. Now you can see this yahoo.com is red color, but this is not. The reason is that because I have selected div, and under div I want to search anchor element. So this is my div tag, and this div tag is ended over here, and this anchor tag is inside this div, but this anchor tag is not inside the div. If you want to apply to all the anchor tag, what you will write? You will write only anchor tag. Okay. So irrespective of whether it is under div or outside div. Okay. So if you want to apply it on multiple elements, say you want to apply it on input, comma A. So it will be applied to all the input elements as well as to the anchor element. So now you can see that it is applied on anchor as well as input elements. So color is red. So this is all about jQuery element selector. Hope you understand this. Thanks for watching this, and please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.